Hey everybody, welcome back to Moonbuilt Garage. Just want to do a quick update video on the previous video I did on the LED headlight installation. This time I went with the Cougar motor Evolution Plus LED bulbs in the charger. So let's roll that intro. Let's see how they did. So here's the previous clip of the car effects LEDs next to the OEM halogen light bulbs. I wasn't a fan of the blue tint to these car effects LEDs, and the light output, as you can see, is drastically reduced. I really felt unsafe driving with these LED headlights installed in the charger. And here are the Cougar Motors LEDs next to the OEM halogen headlights. These LEDs aren't as bright and they still don't push as far down the highway as the OEM halogens, but I didn't feel unsafe driving with these. They actually weren't that bad. And they didn't have that annoying blue tint to them either. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Comment below, let me know what you all think. And we'll see you back here next time. See ya!